Oh, good.
Dad, what's that noise? Salivating. It's coming from outside. Oh, that. It's just a stretch people from the fireplace ball. What are people? What are people? Bad things that's what people are. Except you're lucky I'm going to scare you from everyone. Duck. Yes, correct. It's a duck. Duck. Yes, I know. It's a pretty duck. Actually, it doesn't matter. Duck. Oh. Oh no, they're coming in. That's a good idea. You stay in there until the heat is off. I'll try and find my own way back to the duck bowl. Maybe we can meet up for lunch some other time. Goodbye. Oh no, now. Is it look past the hen house and right past the cow shed? Or is it look past the cow shed and right